Hey everyone, it's Jessica Licona and we're coming to you live. I love to give you pointers and tips. And today this one seems so relevant as we're getting more and more questions about different smart systems in terms of engaging security system around the house. So there's a new woman, man, if you will, on the scene. It's called SimpliSafe. And they've gotten great reviews. They're definitely in the top 10 of security systems. And one of the things that we're doing is partnering with Compass and offering this to you, our contacts and clients, that if you're looking to test it out, it's an easy, simple, do-it-yourself installation kit. And it is 2 months of free service of 24/7 professional monitoring. And then you can also continue to add on and customize it as you see fit. And then if you're interested in having it as a long-term solution, I believe the fee is even as simple as $17.99 a month. So very affordable. Reach out to us if you have any questions. The company name is SimpliSafe. And I'm gonna look over here on my quick notes. It comes with the SimpliCam HD security camera, 3 entry systems, 1 motion sensor, 1 base station, 1 keypad, and like I mentioned, 2 months of 24/7 professional monitoring that will come to you. And if you like it, then keep it. If you don't like it, no harm, no foul. That value is just around $450. So it's a really cool option. Reach out to us if you have any questions, and we'll include more information on where to fill out the link here in this video. Be well, take care.